Hey, what is up YouTube? The Real JoJo here, and today I'm going to be reacting to Best Car and Train Crash Compilation of 2020. Now, a few years prior to this moment, I was going to release this after I reacted to Reaction 2019, but because I had so many freaking audio issues and the screen recording and especially changing phone, because the other one I had, it just got crappy and real slow, and I just had to get a new one. But now I'm running on Apple instead of Samsung. So I literally could not get the videos to work. I tried so many test runs. I tried recording the video first and then seeing what the audio would do. And literally when I did the test runs, my voice actually was able to be heard. But literally when I started recording the whole thing, nothing came up because I don't know, I guess it was something to do with the video and my voice that just kind of didn't got all mixed together or something, and the whole thing just ended up getting screwed up and nothing was really recorded. It was just all silence the whole time. But anyways, I'm gonna get right into this video and I hope you enjoy. Oh my god, he got caught by a cable. What the frick? Oh my god, the thing's moving. Look, it's going. Oh my god. Dude, why would you do this? You're literally just breaking your own car. There's a sign on it. Is it saying, hit me? Yep. It's probably hit me. I don't work anyways. It's like the first train I've seen that ever stopped. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. Boom! Yeah. And boom! Punch in the face. He got folded, little bro. Yeah. And oh my god! Wait, what was it? Oh my god. Rolling like a sausage. And who's gonna get it? Oh, it's like a, what is that, a 4-car collision? You know, that actually happened to me once when I was at Copeland. Someone hit me, when literally he got hit by a person first, and then that guy hit me again, literally. What am I talking about? Oh, we got sideswiped. Broke the fence, too. Oh, you idiot. What is that, car malfunction or something? Uh-oh, he's swaying. And what's gonna come out? Oh. I thought that cargo was gonna bust open like a piñata. But no, it was the guy behind the cargo that got busted. Oh god, there's logs everywhere. Yeah! Wait, why am I saying yeah? Oh my god, he was all sideways and shit. Oh god, he's gotta be hurt so bad. And, dude, you're on the... Dude has no patience at all. He flipped the tractor over. Oh my god. You know, it reminds me of that one video that I saw. It was like ice or something. And he got hit by it. And so he had to replace his windshield. Oh my god. Oh. Doing a little spinjitzu move. Bro, what the hell? Oh, he is so getting fired. Look at that. He spilled everything that was in that truck, literally. Oh, shit. Oh, no. And don't turn. You see, this is kind of what happened to me the other day. I turned at the wrong moment when I was trying to go into Culver's, and literally this freaking semi-truck just slowed down all because I turned at the wrong moment. Hey, you better get over. I turned at the wrong moment, and literally, I freaking halted the whole freaking road. You know, this video had like an edit to it one time. It was really like a Thomas the Tank Engine. It was really going like... Oh. Well, now you're gonna be late. Oh, the Jeep. Bro, you're gonna have to get out. I literally saw this one time. He literally... Yeah, you better get out. You better get out. Get out, get out, get out. Yeah. Literally, if he hadn't have gotten out, he would have been freaking dead, man. Oh, man. Oh, my God. That thing is gone in a flash. Folded. Oh, wait, I've seen this before. Yeah. Gets folded again. Bro, quit showing me the same shit. I try literally going through all these compilations, and I try to find different videos that don't have the same shit that's played over and over and over again. The same shit that I've seen before. Most of the time, I can't find ones that are any different. Oh, yeah, I like that music. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You know what that music reminds me of? Kind of reminds me of a Five Finger Death Punch. Oh no. The heck? It's like a little dude in a hoverboard, just like going all over the place. It's slow-mo, it's hilarious. Bro, we literally just saw this. Just going by like it's no big deal. Oh my God. Oh man. The car got splattered. Oh my God, there goes his windshield. And... oh wait. Yep, there goes his deliveries. Yeah. Oh, the limo. Oh no. Not the business car. Oh wait. Come on, man. I've already seen this. Oh, man. Oh, that's gotta hurt. Oh, I've listened to this music. It's like what the hell is that stuff? It's like the freaking Dukes Hazzard shit that I've heard before. I don't know. Oh, he got spun. Oh, I bet you that dude lost a leg. Oh, dude, you better get out. You better get out. You better get out. That dude's car is gonna blow up. It is on fire for real. Look at it. The engine is total. Oh no. You idiot. I'm just gonna run to the back of the guy's car. Oh my God. You see me rolling, hasted. And I'm upside down. There goes one tire. Oh God. just laying on my back. Like, it's no big deal. Oh, man, he's sparking. Alright, time for the car tsunami! Yeah! Huh. Good thing he didn't get hit. Woo, 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 woo! Going around in circles. Got a little tornado action there. Oh, God. Oh, I've heard this song before. It's from Fast and Furious. Oh my God, he's on fire. He exploded, dude. Oh man, that's definitely fatality. Oh no. Oh! Yep. That does not end so well. Oh, from 2017. He even posted the date. Oh God. Oh man, it's smoking. Oh my God! He was on the front side of his motorcycle. Oh, this guy did it again. Oh my God. You see, why do these motorcycles, they freaking speed? Everyone I've seen, they just try to show off. I mean, like this dude right here. Like, why? Alright. Bro, everyone has to stop for the dude. He's literally trying to go to the rescue. Once you hear that siren, that means get out of the way. So he can go to his destination. Alright, you better move. Oh my. You see, why do these people do that? It just... You gotta stay over. You gotta look before you freaking get over. And I guess he didn't have enough time to get back over. I don't know. I don't freaking know. Oh, God. Yeet! Oh, there goes his tire. It's gonna go rolling down the freaking road. Oh, man. It did not end well. Oh. Well, there goes his crane. Not gonna be able to be used again. Whee! Boom! I don't know if I already told you this, but just to clarify, it's best car and train crash, so it's a little bit of a mixture. And that guy just hit a little post. Oh, bet you the side of his car was freaking wrecked. So you guys are coming with me. I'm taking 2 cars home. And Pabooski. Dang. Is that it? Oh. Wee, wee, wee. Well, he knocked over a sign. Good job. You just damaged a little traffic light post. Stop! Bro, why didn't that guy just swoop to the freaking right? Oh my God. There's a lot of insurance to pay. Oh, the freaking car rolled on top of him. Oh, jeez. Alright. Who wants to get a punch in the face? Woo! Get wrecked. Woo! Just put him back in the right place. And I'm gonna roll like a sausage. Alright. Oh, crap, 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 crap. I don't want to watch this. I don't want to watch this. I don't want to watch this. Okay. Anyways, that was the video. I hope you all liked it. I sure did. I mean, literally, it is some crazy crap going on in that freaking video. Like, oh my God. But, I mean, seriously, especially that one video where that lady hit. It was like one of the last ones. She literally hit like 3 cars. Well, she hit one car, and that car hit the other, and that car hit the freaking truck. I'm like, that's a lot of insurance to pay, I think. Because now, all those people, I mean, as long as, you know, they can still get up and stuff, you know, all of them are going to have to get out, exchange insurance cards, and then go from that point. I mean, it's just like, it's kind of a long process, but it's what needs to be done. And you know what, that has actually happened to me before. I did mention this earlier. But last year when I worked at Copeland, I literally got into a collision. It wasn't near as bad as this, but it was literally, I was the last car to get hit. And literally, one car came around at a freaking high speed, and he literally hit the back of one car, and then that car hit the back of mine. And literally, stupid me, I just took off. And luckily when I got home, the backside of my car was not as damaged as I thought it would be. And really, I should have just stopped, you know, stayed there and got their insurances. But I was in such a freaking rush to get home that I didn't even realize it. I forgot all the steps that I need to take. But anyways, that's all over. That's all in the past. There's nothing I can do to change it. And anyways, hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, The Real JoJo 7483. And I will see you all in the next video.